Yo, unemployed Mike. Today we're gonna go change the oil on my 2019 Yamaha R3. This thing, we're gonna take it to the track to Streets of Willow for classic track day on Sunday. So I want to make sure that it's ready. It's been long overdue as well. So I'm getting around to it. Check it out. Peace. It's a 4mm Allen wrench. We got our oil and we have our Mode Tool 7100 1040, our high flow Filtro racing filter. That is the oil filter. And here's the drain plug bolt. So we're gonna remove both of those, drain the oil, and then we'll go from there. The oil is now drained. I got this cool drain plug. Shout out to Play One Films. Donnell hooked me up with this. It took me a while because I've had this sitting here forever. I haven't changed this oil. Here it is. I'm gonna put this on, put the filter on, refill the oil. We'll check the oil levels and make sure that it's all good. So the torque spec for this bolt here, the drain plug, is 14 foot-pounds. All right. So now we're gonna refill the oil. It's about 2 quarts for the Yamaha R3. Little window that tells you if it's halfway, that's where you want to be. It's gonna take about like 2 quarts of oil. We'll go make sure that we don't overdo it, because if we do, then we have to drain some out, and it's more of a hassle to put in the drain plug, let some out, and then try to get it back down. So it's better to start low and keep checking it, and then gradually add more. So we'll do that. Right in the middle. Sounds good. So now we're just gonna start the bike and make sure it runs fine. Let it warm up.